Moravské Vano and number 269, Sušenky Moravian Christmas Cookie. A dessert from Czech Republic. Serves 4. Step 1. Mix flour, sugar, butter, and spices together. Step 2. Heat molasses until lukewarm and add baking soda to it. Step 3. Add molasses to rest of ingredients and mix well. If necessary, add a little water to the dough to get it to a soft enough consistency to roll it. Roll the dough on a well-floured surface, making it as thin as possible. Step 4. Cut into desired shapes, and transfer to a non-stick cookie sheet. Step 5. Bake at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.